Okay, give me close. So I have thumbnail. Hello, you guys. Hey, it's Friday night, and I find myself up here at Mooneyes Skatepark. I came up to Summit Pecan. I'm here to go to Mooneyes 10th anniversary full throttle life in the fast lane event at the Train Night Market tomorrow night. It's their 10-year anniversary of Mooneyes Shop Bangkok, and I'm here to have a good time. Let's see what's going on at the skate park tonight. I see there's a bunch of Groms here. They handed me a skateboard. I guess I gotta skate tonight. These girls want me to do kickflip. I asked them to show me something, and come on, show me something.
No,
You cannot?
No.
You guys have to show me some skating tonight. I pushed out, hitting that wall. Well, you know, so it's Friday night here at the park. You got some of the locals up there. The kids are here tonight, Friday nights. You know, Mark really supports the skateboarding scene here in Summit Pecan and the surrounding areas. He does a lot to do that. Here, this was, I believe, the original Fat Boy design location. So yeah, I believe this was the original location for the motorcycle shop, and then he has since moved that. But he does a lot to support skateboarding here, and you can also find the donation box for the Summit Pecan Extreme Sports Association, and I believe they're making a sports complex there and getting donations for that, and Mark's behind that here too. So, you know, when I first heard of Mark and Fat Boy Designs, it was a few years ago, before I even heard of Mooneyes, and he had a skate park in front of his shop here, but it was not a Mooneyes Park at that time, and he would let people come and skate. So now that it's Mooneyes Park, it's just completely blown up, and as I've shown before, you know, they got the food trailer in the back here. He's got a little mini ramp going on right over here. And then he's built the entire park here and revamped that. Now there's a bowl up in there. I'll show you that later. Now I'm hoping the boy skates. Okay, these two kids, yeah, I've seen them here before a couple times. I've met them along. Hey, so if you're new to the channel, I'm Matt Splat, and in 2023, when I was 62 years old, I started to sell everything after I returned home from Thailand. I sold all my belongings in the next year and a half, and in 2025, I moved to Thailand to retire. From what? I don't know, because I certainly didn't work a whole lot during my life of skateboarding and snowboarding. But here I am in Thailand now, living my life as an old skate rat, retired. So follow me and follow my adventures. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but it's always gonna be fun. So here's a whole overview of the park. This is the bowl here. And Mark said he had a big hand in making sure this was done right, and with the builders he used to do this. And they did a freaking good job. This thing's got so many little pockets, dude. I was lost in it when I tried to skate it. Bet you weren't expecting that. I'll get my board. Okay, I'll try with you. Front side burn. Is that what it was? Ah! Shoes. Alright, this is like... I haven't skated in a long time, but this is the longest I've skated in a long time. And rocking on that half pipe there for a minute got me thinking I need to get back on board more. But these goofy ass shoes that I'm wearing just don't help. These Skechers slip-ons that I got for power walking or whatever I was doing there for working out. They got this fucked up sole on them, and I don't have any knee pads. And I want to skate that, and I'm riding on someone else's board, and the bushings are too soft. You know, they handed me a brand new board. Look at this thing. This is a brand new setup. Just handed it to me to skate. And so I'm fucking skating. I was just hitting that little half pipe. Some of the guys aren't skating tonight. I'm not sure where they're all at. There's just a few of them here tonight, but it's good to get back on board. I should have brought my shit with me. I didn't bring any of my board or my shoes or nothing. Like I said, I wasn't expecting this. I walked in the shop and homie was working. I said, hey, I want to film you. You gonna skate? Oh, you want to skate? Here's a board. Homie hands me a board. And now that the shop's all lit up, skate shop, man, they're fully stocked. They'll take care of you, whatever you need. They got a skate school going on here. It's a good little place. There.
Hello, my baby. Hello.
So you'll find these girls here quite often. He says they're regulars. You come all the time?
Yes.
Yep, you come here all the time?
No.
You never come here? You come here
Come here
a lot?
a lot.
Every night?
Every night.อะไรกันคือ Yes.
You guys come here every night?
Come here เล่นมีไหนมาทุกๆคืน
Yeah, what you said.
Yeah.
Every
Yeah,
night?
yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
No. Yeah.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday?
Yeah. กล้องดับแล้ว
These girls have been using my Google Translate, been asking me all kinds of questions. That little girl's gonna be something. Okay, she's been skating about 2 years from what she said. With Google Translate, getting a little bit out of her. So that's a Friday night here at Mooneyes. And you can find this almost any night of the week. Like I said, they really do support skateboarding and all the other roller sports here. Whatever the kids are into, Mark's got them covered over here. You know, he was a kid once himself. Obvious, because he hasn't grown up.
Hey, what's happening? I'm not Matt Splat, but I'm real close to Matt Splat, maybe a little better looking. And we're here on his channel. We want you guys to like, subscribe, follow the disaster known as Matt Splat, and let's see what happens.